Today's schedule looks like it'll be the toughest yet. Non-stop training in the waves and rapids. Then out onto the Fuda for one more big test before we head to Class 4.
Still moving to the left. It's still moving to the left. Still moving to the left. Then I let it go.
Bounced around pretty good and feel like I've pushed myself about as far as I can go. But the true test is yet to come. And if I've struggled this much so far, how will I do when, or even if I get to the big stuff? I gotta get unlost fast. The McCall is not going to let up because I'm having a bad day. Show me the line. Hopefully, if all goes well, I'll come through on the other side.
Go left! Go left! Hang on to my boat. Hang on to my boat. Right here. Follow me, but he hit that diagonal from the side and it stood his boat on its rear. I looked back there and I was, whoa! I wasn't expecting that. You're just 2 or 3 feet offline. He tried to roll, missed it as he was going through the wave, and came out of his boat. Made a pretty quick rescue. And now we're right above.
The feeling is that I'm feeling about as pumped as I have since getting down here. I felt the power of the Fuda. And even though I didn't exactly ace the test, I'm going back in, ready to take another shot and finish the McCall in a big way.
Old. You don't even feel it though. It's so invigorating. I was so tired earlier today. My muscles were aching and hurting. But as soon as I hit that white water, all my focus, all my concentration on what I was doing took over completely. I didn't feel any pain, quite nothing. I'm very, very happy and very, very tired.